Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve some questions based on different forms of equation of a straight line. So in the previous class we have learned different forms of equation of a straight line. First one is slope point form. In slope point form, slope is given and one point is given, x1, y1. Then equation in this form will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Second form is 2-point form. We have to find the equation of a line in which 2 points are given. Suppose these 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then equation in 2-point form will be y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. This is the slope of the line x minus x1. Third form is slope intercept form, in which slope is given and intercept on y-axis, that is c, is given. In that case, equation will be y equals to mx plus c. This is slope intercept form. And intercept form, in intercept form both the intercepts x and y are given. Let x intercept is a and y intercept is b. Then equation in intercept form will be x by a and plus y by b is equal to 1. Next form is normal form. In normal form, p, that is distance of the line from origin, is given, and angle theta made by the perpendicular with x-axis is also given. In that case, equation of the line will be x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to p. So we have learned these forms of equation of a straight line. Now I am going to apply these forms in the questions. So 4 questions I have written from your NCERT textbook. Exercise is 10.2. So question number 4 is here. 4 is, we have to find equation of a line which passes through 2 comma 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. So here point is given, point is 2 comma 2 root 3. Inclination is also given. With the help of this inclination we can get the slope of this line. Slope will be tan theta, and here theta is the inclination, so tan 75 degree. Now you find the value of tan 75 with the help of trigonometric formula. You can write it tan 45 plus 30 degree. Now tan x plus y, tan 45 plus tan of 30 divided by 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. If you simplify this, 1 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3. So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is the slope of the line and point is given. So here we can apply slope point form. Slope point form is, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now put the value. y1 is here 2 root 3 and slope root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 and x minus 2. Now we have to simplify this. So root 3 minus 1 into y and minus 2 root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 plus 1 x minus 2 into root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 x minus root 3 minus 1 y. Here minus 2 root 3 minus 2, you multiply this, then 2 into 3 6 and then plus 6, and here minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 here minus 2 root 3, and when it will go right side, then plus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this will cancel here, 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3 and minus 2, and this is 2 into 3 6, and then plus 6 here, plus 2 root 3 and then minus 2 root 3. It will be minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So root 3 plus 1 x minus root 3 minus 1 y, and this is minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 and plus 4 is equal to 0. So root 3 plus 1 x minus root 3 minus 1 y, therefore you can take common. So if you take 4 common or minus 4 common, then root 3 minus 1. So this is the required equation under this condition. Now next question, question number 2, question number 7 here. 7 is we have to find the equation of a line which passes through the two given points. So here we apply 2-point form. We know the formula, y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2 and x minus x1. Now we put the value simply minus 1. So this is I am taking first and this is second. So y minus 1 is equal to y1 minus y2, 1 minus 1 plus 4, y1 minus y2, then x1 minus x2, minus 1 minus 2, minus 3, and here x minus x1 plus 1. Multiply this, here it will be minus 3y and then plus 3 is equal to, this is 5, so 5x and plus 5. So 5x plus 3y and plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the solution for question number 7. And now question number 8. 8, you say we have to find again the equation of a line whose perpendicular distance from origin is 5 units and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degree. If you draw the rough sketch of this, so perpendicular distance, this is given, that is 5 unit, and the angle made by this perpendicular with positive x-axis is here 30 degree. So here we apply normal form because p is given and theta is given. So according to normal form, our formula will be x cos theta plus y sin theta equals to p. Here also you put the value x cos theta, theta is here 30 degree, so 30 degree and plus y sin theta 30 degree is equal to p is here 5 units. Cos theta is root 3 by 2, so x root 3 by 2 and plus y into 1 by 2 is equal to 5. Then root 3x plus y is equal to 10. This is the solution of question number 8. Number, find the equation of a line which passing through this point and perpendicular to the line through the points this. It means we have to find, suppose these 2 points are 2, 5 and here -3, 6. This is the line which passes through 2 given points, and we have to find a line which is perpendicular to this line and which passes through -3, 5. -3, 5. So this is suppose M line and this is L. L and M are perpendicular to each other and M having 2 given points. So with the help of this we can get the slope of line M, and with the help of that we can get the slope of M, and point is given, so we can apply slope point form here. So first of all find the slope of line M. Slope of line M is difference of y coordinate 5 minus 6 divided by difference of x coordinate 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to -1 by 5. So slope of line L, therefore slope of line L is here reciprocal and sign change, so 5, because product of slopes of 2 perpendicular lines is -1. So slope of L is 5 and 1 point is given. So point is -3, 5. Now equation of required line L is slope point form y minus y1. y1 is here 5 is equal to m. m is here 5 and x minus x1, that is -3. So 5x minus y plus 15 and plus 5, 20 is equal to